I once struggled to understand why fires in the savanna were beneficial. It seemed destructive. But then I learned that fire actually rejuvenates the ecosystem. By burning old grass, it makes way for new growth, which feeds animals and enriches the soil. This natural cycle is crucial for maintaining balance. Embracing this idea, I realized that sometimes letting go of the old makes room for the new in life. It taught me to welcome change, even when it seems harsh. Try seeing challenges as opportunities for growth. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.